All right, if you're looking for an outdoor extension cord, I can tell you right out of the gate that this has been with me for over 10 years, so it lasts. And it's been through snowstorms, rainstorms. It just left it outside. What I'm talking about is just this green extension cord. But what makes this green extension cord different than any extension cord out there is I use this to hang my outdoor lights in my backyard. And now I'm using it to hang some outdoor lights at the campsite. And again, what makes this different is you have this right here. So one outlet goes into the trailer right here, and then you have 3 extensions going off the same outlet. So this is great if you're going to run some low voltage stuff like hanging lights or whatever. This is perfect for that use case. So you have 3 outlets, so I can run them to each side of our campground. So we're going to do that. We're going to hook up some outdoor lights for the summertime where we're at. And it's kind of cool because for us, we can just plug it in right here to our trailer and we're good to go. So if you're looking for an outdoor real use case, go ahead and pick one of these up. The part I love the most is that it separates it into 3. So this is perfect for hanging outdoor string lights or anything else that you need for outdoor use.